Hi everyone, how are you? Happy weekend. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the December Birchbox, and the box is a lot different this month. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let me talk about Birchbox and then I will show you this pretty box. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription. For new members, it costs $15 per month. I do have a referral link I'm going to leave down below that'll get you $9 off your first 3 months. You get mostly samples, but they've really improved since they increased their price point. It used to be $10 per month, but since they increased it, now there's a lot more customization with this box. So what you can do, I think it's like the 28th of each month, so the month before, so this would have been like November 28th, you get an email and you get to choose between some curated boxes. You can either choose that or you can pick a sample. You can have your box be a total surprise, or you can switch out your box or swap out your box for a specific full-size item. So I chose my sample for the month. I kind of forget what I chose. Sometimes I choose the curated boxes, sometimes I miss that email and I get a surprise, but anyways, like I said, I'm gonna leave that link down below if you're interested after watching this video. Definitely take advantage of that to save some money. But the box this month, you guys, look how pretty this is. Usually it's like a box that you just like take the lid off of, but this month, this is what it looks like. Oh, it even goes out like this. Like, what is going on here? So, here, I'll show you the front detail. This is beautiful. And on the bottom is like the Birchbox. So this is so pretty. And then when you open it, there's like this long letter here. What does it say? It says, "This is for you, the best of you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hope for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best of you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you." So that's really cool. And then, but it opens up again and it says, "Hey you." So like, that's like a really interesting box. And then here is a note from the team, and this matches the outer packaging, and then it talks about the items on the back, and then everything is inside here. So I'm totally gonna save this box and use it for something, but let's see what it says in here. It says, "As we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month we get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you in the year to come. LOBBL, the Birchbox team." What does that mean? Love. Does anyone know what LOBBL stands for? Am I too old? I don't know. But yeah, so here I'll talk more about the items, so I'll leave it here. And each month now they've been like throwing in an extra coupon code. So this is Birchbox just for subscribers, $25 off. Spend $100 site-wide, including gifts or subscriptions with code 25 off. And then happy holidays. Cool. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see here. This is by Model Co. This is their highlighting shimmer whip in champagne. This might be a full-size item. It says this is $15, so that's like the price of the box. Yes, this is like a liquid highlighter. It says, "Achieve a lit from within look with this liquid highlighter that blends effortlessly into skin. Apply in the high points of your face, so the cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bows, etc." So let's swatch a little bit of this. Ooh, this is pretty. So there it is there. That's a very pretty highlight. I want to get into using more like liquid and cream products this year, this upcoming year, because I use mostly powders and I want to like venture out of my comfort zone, you know? So I'm happy to have this and try this out. And this is definitely more than a sample because it's a liquid highlight product. Like that little droplet, look how much that's crazy. Next up, this is by Phase Zero. I don't think I know this brand. Phase Zero Cotton Candy Blusher. Let's get this out. So this is new to Birchbox. Okay, so this brand is new. And it says the full size is $21. I don't mind getting mini blushes because I've never gone through a blush before. So it's in like a little compact here. Ooh, this definitely does look like cotton candy, doesn't it? Let's swatch it. Let me get a clean finger. Ooh, it feels nice and buttery. So there it is on my finger, if you can tell. And let's put this right here. So there's just like one swipe of it there. It's pretty subtle, but you can, yeah, you can build it up. I think that'll be pretty. Hopefully you guys can see on camera, just right over here. So now I remember what sample I chose. I chose the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Normally I would never choose, like, on purpose a shampoo and conditioner sample, but I've heard such good things. I mean, to be honest, most of the things I heard about Briogeo are from like sponsored videos on YouTube, but they're from creators I fully trust. And I've heard great things. I've tried other Briogeo products, but I think this is newer in their line. So if you want to get the full size of the shampoo, it's $28, and the conditioner is also $20. So these are pricey shampoo and conditioner, so I'm excited to try it out. I want to sniff it and see what it smells like. Matcha and apple. There are safety seals. Yeah, it smells like apple. I'm excited to try this out. Have you guys tried Briogeo products? I just have heard only good things, but again, it's always been from people that work with Briogeo, so let me know if you've had an experience with them. Next up we have Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow, and this is in Daybreak. So the full size is $10. Says shimmer and shine with this long-lasting crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic peach gold shade. Apply directly to your lids and blend, layering for more intensity. Okay, so it has a little doe foot applicator. Let's swatch it next to this highlight. Oh, it goes with the highlight. That's really pretty. I like shades like that. So I love how they give us like wearable shades, in my opinion. I know some people don't like that word. But the last item in here is a sheet mask. This is by Cure. This is a Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness. Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels. Oh, it's eye mask. Good. I want that more. It says 2 single-use eye gels. I have puffy eyes. I slept like 9 hours last night. My eyes are still puffy today, I swear. This is made with cucumber and silk tree. It says age performance, 100% vegan, 0% questionable, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, silicone-free, and cruelty-free. It says intense soothing under eye elixir hydrogel to help rejuvenate with cucumber and Persian silk tree. Keep in the fridge for a cooling boost and say hello to deep hydration. I just got a beauty fridge. I have to put it together still. It's like in my bathroom, but I just haven't set it up because I need to like make space on my counter for it. But I'm definitely going to put all my eye masks in there because I think that'll help with my puffiness even more. So I think this was a really good box. Like, first of all, I think the box itself is so cute and something that you will save. I'm definitely going to save, so this adds value to the box. And then, okay, so we have the sample I chose. There were multiple things you could have picked, but I chose the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind shampoo and conditioner. And this is a great travel size. Like, this is definitely multi-use. Like, it'll last like a week vacation, you know? And then we got a Phase Zero blush. I've never tried this brand before, so I think that's exciting. And it's like in a pretty shade. We have a liquid highlight by Model Co, the Highlight Shimmer Whip. And this may be full size. I don't know. It's 7 ml. I would never get through this, you know? So I think that might be full size. And then we have the Love of Colors, the liquid eyeshadow in Daybreak, and our eye gels. So I think this was a good month. You guys have to let me know what you think, if you think it is worth $15. Again, I am going to leave all the information down below. I still have one giveaway going on. If you guys have not yet entered, I believe that ends like in 2 days or something like that. So definitely check that out. I always leave my giveaway links down below. I'm planning a holiday giveaway too, so look out for that. But anyways, I hope you guys are all having a great day and have a great weekend as well. Let me know your weekend plans. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.